Hello and welcome to another update video about the ADA chart. ADA yesterday, obviously over the weekend, showed a bit of a reaction to our micro support area, which is located between 80.9 cents and 90.2 cents. We talked about that, we talked about this reaction, but I also highlighted to you that it was not enough to confirm a low in place. I also highlighted to you that we only had a 3-wave move up. And obviously, as you know, the downside for Bitcoin was still outstanding, or at least it was likely that Bitcoin had not yet completed its correction. All of that creates some selling pressure for ADA as well. Even though ADA is holding quite well compared to Bitcoin, they're pretty much selling off in the same way. ADA's sell-off is not more aggressive than Bitcoin's. Now, what does it mean? I think it means that one more low is still very likely, right? Because what did we talk about? We talked about a low could be in, absolutely, but because of the overall context of the chart and what other coins are doing, it requires a little bit more evidence than simply a first rally, which has taken us back into a corrective price channel. Because we need a break out of the corrective price channel, minimally above the upper boundary line of the price channel, better a break above the 99.8 cent level. I've been telling you that for the last 1 or 2 weeks, probably last week, not a couple of weeks. And the market has not done that yet, okay? In parallel, I'm obviously watching for possible reactions to this upper micro support area to see if there are any convincing reactions, to see if the market is trying to start that third wave to the upside. And so far, the reactions have not really been convincing. There is also this wedge pattern I'm tracking, but the price is now breaking out to the downside, which indicates further weakness, makes it quite likely we're testing the 80.9 cent level. Below 80.9 cents, the white scenario is clearly taking over the lead, which means below 80.9 cents, the yellow scenario, which is directly bullish, will become less likely. In this case, then, the 76.6 cent level could offer some support again, the lower boundary line of the channel, and the 64 cent level. I would say at this stage it's quite likely that we're going to test the 64 cent level. It is key support for the bulls, as explained on the daily chart as well. Actually, over the last month or so, we've been told. It's been a month now since this correction started, nearly, and this 64 cent level, as you know, has been on the chart since then. And it might be we test it. There's no need to test it. I'm just saying this looks like a wave 4 correction at the moment. And as long as the 64 cent level is holding, the yellow scenario is valid, right? Which would mean at least one more high in this rally that started actually in August. And below that level, we might be dealing with the orange scenario, which means a larger correction, like an A, B, C structure, in a larger B wave, in a larger wave 2, and then a recovery. But for now, I pay attention to micro support on the smaller time frame, but there is no evidence that a low is in. And here on the daily chart, it's also this support area from a macro point of view. As I said in last videos, everything that really happens on the smaller time frame from a macro point of view is just noise. The 64 cent level is the pivot between the yellow scenario, allowing for further upside, and the orange count, which will open the door to the lower support area, again between 28.9 cents and 36 cents. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.